Come on, Boo Man. Come on, baby. You got it. Come on. Come on, Boo Man.
Give him more stretch with the white one.
He's got as much stretch as it'll go.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh. Are you recording all this?
Yes.
Come on, Bug. Come on, baby.
This little boy. Oh my God.
Come on, Boo Man. Come on, baby. Come on, Boo Man. Get your knees up there, boy. Come on. Come on, Booger.
You can just get that arm out.
Yeah. He's not alert. Come on, Boo Man. Come on. You got it, baby. Let's go.
Get it. Look at him.
Come on, baby. Come on, Boo Man. Come on, Boogie. You've got it.
Maybe if I could help him position his arm.
Come on, Boo Boo. Come on, Boo Boo. Come on.
Shit, he's at 100.
Come on, Boo Boo. Come on. Come on, boy. You got this. I can't believe he did this.
Huh?
I can't believe he's doing this.
Is he okay?
I'm probably going to have to roll him over. He's going to need sectioned.
I think he's just really, really tired now.
Yeah, he's wore out. Boo Boo.
Okay, text me that video.